Oh, Lord.
Alright.
Okay. Should I sit? Let's see if I feel comfortable. But then we gotta be really close together if I'm sitting. No, I can't. I have to stand. So, marshmallow cream first.
Yeah.
Oh, we've been filming this whole time. That's great. I did not know that. Okay. First we have this. Okay. Is your knife?
Peanut butter style.
Yes.
Nice knife.
Oh, thank you. Don't know where it's from. I have no idea. We need to be in the camera more. Yes.
Knife. Don't know where it's from.
No. Okay. They did it really aesthetically in the video. It was like...
Just picture like you're putting peanut butter all over
Yes.
your cup.
You're like
It's
totally
like we
not in the frame.
It'll taste like Diet Coke.
I know. No, because I don't think they mixed it really too much.
No. I feel like she drank it and it was all just...
Things we do for a video. For content, really.
The things you do when you watch... What's the show?
Mormon Wives.
That one.
We should tag them and then I won't even see it, but we should try.
Will mom talk?
We won't survive this. Maybe they will.
Gets a sugar rush.
I'm probably a sugar headache. Is this enough? Or is this like marshmallow enough? Probably not.
Aesthetically, no.
Oh, that's what matters here. Stay in frame. How do people do this? Stay in frame and do stuff? Okay.
Probably have a better setup.
Our phone's against a Fanta bottle right now, so don't just with the stuff and peanut butter.
Ew. Actually...
So
no, you still. I'm sticking with that.
Okay. You're sticking with it, guys.
Peanut butter, marshmallow, and jelly, or...
I think just peanut butter and marshmallow.
Would you do it?
I would try it, yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. And share.
Tag your favorite mom talk.
Yeah. Do we do ice or Diet? I think it was ice.
Yours looks terrible, to be honest. It's like overflowing.
I can't multitask. Well, maybe I'll taste it now. It does look terrible.
That looks pretty good.
Okay, well, watch me next drink. Okay. Now the Diet Coke.
Yeah.
If we do Coke after, it's gonna take forever. But...
Sorry, we don't have canned. These were
Okay.
Is this what it tastes like?
I know. Well, do we put more in? Maybe.
I'm not.
What if I hate it? Well,
I think either way, the more you put, it's still gonna taste.
you know, I didn't think of that. It's just more like good. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's. I think mine's straight Diet Coke.
Mine is too.
I'm not really sure there's marshmallow in here.
Well, she just did that for aesthetic, I guess.
Don't be fooled.
Yeah, she did hers with a glass. That's a waste of time because then she had to clean it.
Yeah,
and
just tonight to taste the
like
marshmallow. If I wanted to taste marshmallow, I'd mix it in the drink, not around the whole cup.
Yeah, that's straight Diet Coke with some ice.
What a waste of fluff.
You know, I used a lot.
Thank God we got plastic cups. Okay, well, I would rate this like a 1.
And then the fluff just tastes like a fluff.
It just does not combine. It's not a s'more. It's a Diet Coke and marshmallow.
Just get Diet Coke.
Yeah. So my tummy already hurts, but that could be my dinner, not the drink. So.
Mine doesn't hurt, so maybe this should be.
Okay. Ice in the cups, right?
Yeah.
There's no aesthetic way to pour that. So.
ASMR.
ASMR?
Okay.
That's me go.
My no-nails.
Yeah, literally.
Kroger is really nice.
Is it?
I went to the bathroom. There's like free feminine hygiene products.
It's like, no, it's
and
nice.
Mints.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Took one.
And mints. And mints, people.
Yeah. And flowers. Like on the... I took a picture.
Not the picture of the Kroger bathroom. What's next? You memorized it.
it's supposed to be like this syrup, but that wasn't an option at the store, so this is what we're doing. I thought I had to do that. Like,
Did they just...
well, it was like this, so I'm gonna try to get fancy with it, like, the sides.
Oh, okay. God help us all.
Oh, it's kind of, it's a little more liquidy than I thought.
It's from the ground.
My bad. It's fine. It was one drop. You'll be fine. You'll live.
I'll live. Okay, so just pour it in there.
Yeah.
It smells really artificial. There's definitely hella red dye in here.
Oh yeah, what red is in there?
Red 40. The one and only.
The one and only.
Okay, we're again somewhere.
This one's sugar free though. So
There we
balance,
go.
baby.
Yeah.
0 calories.
It's gonna have such strong flavor. Oh no. I probably put too much.
I was tempted to get, what's that other one? Crush. Because it looked like cheaper, and then I was tempted to get Big K, but I was like, that might be gross.
That might be gross.
And so I was like, I'll just stick with the Coca-Cola brand, and I'm glad to do it because I got the 3 for.
Right. Have to get the deal.
Yeah.
Okay. The tropical little drink.
Oh, that's cool.
Take me away. Yay.
And then we got organic heavy whipping cream because I didn't want to look for wherever whipping cream is.
Yeah, and you gotta balance out with the artificially dyed.
Yeah. Sugar
processed
free.
red 40.
Red 40, organic,
Organic?
heavy cream.
Yeah.
And pop.
The cow would want this.
Okay. Oh, look how cow that looks.
That looks so cow. It's like a bougie glass looking thing of milk.
It doesn't feel like, it feels cheap.
Don't tell them that.
It's simple truth. It wasn't cheap. Well, it wasn't that expensive. Okay. What did they say? Like 2 tablespoons?
Oh, do you want my tablespoon measure?
Oh.
I forgot we had that.
It's okay. Wait.
This point. So how much of this? You just want to tell me when to stop?
Yeah, maybe 2 of those.
Here we go. This is going to be... I'm trying. Okay, 1 glob.
Gross. Grody. Yum.
Yum. It smells like really artificial too. This is gonna be so much of the. Yeah. This is so not aesthetic.
So loud.
Okay.
Trigger warning.
Trigger warning.
After the fact. Alright, I need to fix it.
We needed the actual
Whiskey.
getting that for this thing. I tried to mix too hard.
Who made a mess now?
Listen. I don't know how this works after this. This is really
attractive.
not aesthetic at all. Oh god.
Yum. It looks like we're milking a cow.
This is the closest I will ever get to milking a cow.
How much money would you milk a cow for?
75.
Okay, so someone offered you, wait, $75?
Yeah.
Oh. Cheap.
Well, I could do it for like a second and then scream.
To milk a whole cup of this, how much would you get?
I might just stir with a knife now.
Okay.
A whole cup, oh god, that's gonna be like 100. The price went up. I need a whole number now.
Oh.
I guess 75 is a whole number.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm in marketing. Okay.
I need 3 digits.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is just
I'll
really...
do it for 200, no less. Get a gump.
This is the least aesthetic thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
It looks like expired milk.
The cow didn't deserve this.
This reminds me of that movie with Allie and AJ.
Cowbell, that's a good movie.
Yeah.
Okay, now we stir for the camera. Actually, it's really pretty.
It does.
It's the most aesthetic thing we've done.
Ooh.
Just don't think it's barf, because it kind of looks like barf.
Okay, we should have not said that.
She agrees that it's barfy.
Yeah, bird's eye view.
Oh yeah, bird's eye view.
You got games on your face.
Okay. Oh, I love this. That's not bad.
Orange creamsicle.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like sherbet as a drink.
I like it.
It's giving me sherbet vibes.
Sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Like,
I thought you said sugar. I'm like, yeah.
No, I mean sugar too.
Actually, there's no sugar.
Actually, you tasted wrong. The red syrup was definitely sugar-free. Okay, actually, I would drink this.
I would drink this too.
This is a really good dairy soda.
Yeah.
To recap, there was Fanta in there, strawberry syrup, vanilla syrup, and
heavy
then
cream and
heavy whipping cream and marshmallow fluff.
creme.
Marshmallow cream
Creme.
with the accent
It's
till day.
French or fresh.
I'm gonna not say Lily.
Parlez-vous français?
Oh, she did it. I like it. Cheers.
Final rating.
I would say like a 10 out of 10 for me.
I would say 8.6.
She's a harsh one. So we need you to try this concoction.
Are you losing?
It tastes like sherbet.
Why are you filming?
What? I'm checking the game. It's U.S. Open.
It actually was good.
It is.
I gave it a 10
Why
out
are
of
you
10.
filming it then?
We gotta make content.
Say you swear.
I swear it's good.
What do you swear on?
Marshmallow cream.
Oh,
No,
so it's bad.
No, okay, I will swear my cat. It's good.
On croutons.
Yeah. My
Which
cat's
cat?
I actually liked it.
Ugh.
No,
Shut
you're
up.
lying. That's
Sip
such a
it.
fake.
That's good.
Right?
Period.
Husband approved.